Hi guys, you're back with me, Tara Media here from Plant Sumo, and in this video I want to show you how to use Nutritics.com to make a food label. So we're going to head over to Nutritics.com. You're going to sign in. You can get a free trial. There's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about kind of putting any personal details in or anything like that. With Nutritics, you can try before you buy, see if it's for you, create your food labels, and then go from there. And yeah, really try it out before you buy. So, first of all, don't forget, please give us a thumbs up, comment on the channel, and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so when you've headed over to Nutritics.com, it will come up with start your free trial. All you need to do is press start free trial, and then it will just ask you for your name, your email address, and why you are signing up to Nutritics. So I put that I'm a small food business company just so I can show you guys the layout of this, but there's many different options. So it's things like if you're a PT, if you've got wholesalers, all these different things. So whatever option applies to you, then select that, and then you just create a password, activate it through your email, and then it will bring you to this dashboard. So as you can see, it's kind of giving you a show me how option. So it's welcoming you on board. It's letting you know that there's some sample data added to your account to help you get started. So support links and things like that if you need any help. So you've got a recipe analysis, and you've also got create food label option. So whatever it is you want to do, you can press show me how and it will go through that. I'm going to click off this now. I'm just going to start creating a food label using Nutritics. So I want to show you how we're going to do this. So first of all, we're going to press start because it doesn't matter what project you start and you'll need to do that. And then it will give you the option here. So is it a new recipe you want to create? Is it new foods? Is it a new label or is it a new menu? So for this video, I want to do a new label because I want to show you how to make your own food label. So first of all, what we're going to do is create a label, choose a recipe. So what I'm going to do is press create new recipe. And let's just say, for instance, we're going to create pancakes. I'm just trying to think of something really simple. So all you're going to do is just press pancakes like that. So if you press on the box and then just put what it is and then enter, and then straight away it is saved to our recipe. So if then you click all recipes, it's just loading 1 second. There we go. So now if I select pancakes, and then press insert. Okay, this recipe should be inserted. So that's a new recipe. So we want to insert it to the new recipe. Okie dokie. So now all I'm going to do is just click pancakes, and then it gives me the option to edit or create, so view labels. So what I'm going to do is press view labels, and then as you can see, it gives you the option to add a label. So I'm going to press add a label. Okay, and this is the option now where we get to name our label. So I'm just going to put absolutely random things here because I don't have a clue about the weights and things like that. So if I put pancakes, and then if I put the weight, 100 grams, I haven't got a clue on the grams and things, but you can edit your servings and things like that. So I'm going to put 2 servings. I'm going to put 1 recipe total. I'm going to put 1. And I'm going to press insert. So let's just put 100 grams, press insert. So as you can see, it's got pancakes, 100 grams there. Then I'm just going to click here. And then as you can see, it's brought up the actual label setup now. So if you press add element, you've got the options here to add graphics on. You can use your account logo, you can use a template. So you can use whatever it is that you want to use. So if we press use a template, let's see what comes up there. And then you've got the name of the food. So we've got pancakes. If you want to change that, if you want to change the font and things like that, you can do all this here. So you can kind of space it however you'd like to space it. You can change the colour of it if you want to do that. Just show you. Let's just put bold. It's going to be really random, but I just want you to see how it works. And then if you want to enter a little description, you can do that. I'm just going to put example underneath there. Okay, so there you go. And then if you go to the price, you can enter the price here. So, oh, it's not letting me select that for some reason. So if you go to calories, there we go. Calories option has just come up there. So all we're going to do now is press the calorie box, and then we can change this over. So I'm going to put the calorie, the number of calories in there. So when you go off the pancake, the grams, it just asks you to put the grams at the top for the calories, and this is because it automatically calculates the calories for you going off the servings and things like that. So let's have a look what else is on here. So you can add a barcode. You can select a barcode, change all this if you need to change the code, if you want to change the type, you can do all that there. And then you just click off this one. Bear with me a second, I've just messed that barcode up, so I'm going to redo that one. So if you just select barcode again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you just press enter, that is your barcode on there then. So you can click off this now. Okay, and then again, move it to wherever you want to move that. If you want to rotate it and things like that, you can do that. If you want to space it out, if you want to minimize, or if you want it to zoom in, you want it to be a bit bigger, you can do all that here with this option, and you're literally just dragging it and putting it to wherever you want your barcode. So I'll tell you what, let's organize it a bit better. So I'm going to put the barcode here at the bottom, the calories. Tell you what, we'll put pancakes in example there at the top, then the calories next to it. Okay, that's good. And then you've got your ingredients list. So if you want to add your ingredients list, I'm just going to put lots of question marks because you get the idea. You would literally just type out here whatever the ingredient says, and then you can choose if you want it bold, if you want it italic, if you want to underline it. You've got all them options there. And then again, you'd put all your ingredients there. Click off that one. If there's alcohol in it, if you want a name and address in it, if you want any other elements, you can select that, and then you can choose what elements you want. So if you want a paragraph nutritional panel, you can do that. And then I'm just going to put example of label, add element. Okay. And then again with this, if you want to minimize it, just make it a bit smaller, you can do all this here. I'm going to put the food chart at the top here because they're always at the top, aren't they? Okay, looks a bit boring, but I think if you're more experienced with creating labels as it is, you'll know kind of what you're going for. So okay, let's press now. Okay guys, so once you've finished your label, this is such a boring example by the way, but you can choose templates if you want to. I've just kind of gone with a blank canvas, but really I probably should have gone with a template. But if you do want to do that, all you need to do is just go to this option here where you can choose to start from scratch, or you've got ideas of templates. So you've got package labels, fridge labels, sandwich labels, all these different things. But I did just start from scratch, just because I'd rather just show you rather than I just basically rather make life difficult for myself. Let's just say that. Okay, so all you need to do once you're happy with your label, if you press export to, now you can print these or you can save it as an image. So I'm just for this tutorial saving that as an image, and then as you can see it just instantly downloads to PNG format onto your desktop, and just give it a minute to load. That is an example of our food label. So that is just how easy it is to use Nutritics.com and to create your own food labels. If you find it easier to kind of go off a template, please do that. I should have kind of selected that option anyway, but here we are. You get the gist. I hope Nutritics is something that works for you and makes your food company or business successful and just very easy, smooth sailing for you. If you've liked this video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to the channel, and please do share it with your friends. So that was how to create a food label using Nutritics.com. I hope you've enjoyed it and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.